This is west part of southern Andaman Island. See this. See the entire water there is salt. This water is sweet. Wow. You can see no one is around me. Wow, 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 wow. This is a completely beautiful place. See, they are mangroves, the most beautiful plants. Hey, hey, see, hey, wow, hello, hi, 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 how are you? Ping, ping, bye, bye. Ooh, actually it's somewhat scary. See how beautiful this is. Actually, I'm not so well prepared. Unexpected tour. Wow. See, these are all mangroves. Hey, hi. Hello. Hi. Come here. Hey. 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 Hello. 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 Come here. Come here. Hi. It brought me back. See, this is all sweet water. Wow. See, water is so pure. It's looking dirty, but when you take this into your hand, see. Hi. 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 Hey. Woo. Woo. Okay, bye. Oh. So, getting back into water. See. Wow. Now, this is Bay of Bengal. Looking so beautiful. Wow, the water is warm here. Guys, let's go there. Please guys, don't use any plastic bags or covers. See how pure the water is here. Hey, 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 you. Hey. Let's go there. This is one of the best places in Andaman where very less number of people visit. So its ecology is not disturbed. Guys, this area is too good and too peaceful, especially a teenager from Hyderabad. Oh, I'm now afraid to get back to Hyderabad. See, I came almost from that island, which is around 9 to 10 kilometers away from here if we go by walk. I'm waiting to show you people like view. See guys, how beautiful this place is. Sometimes we feel very lonely, but when we come to this kind of places, we feel so connected. Wow. Oh. See this, see this, see this. For my next tour, I will be definitely coming here with well prepared equipment. See guys, it will be exciting to get in there, but we need to just consider even our safety. This is a dense forest here. See. Wow. Woo! Woo, 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 woo! See, 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 see. There is even not a small scope to enter inside. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Almost no one is around me. I'm roaming here since last 2 hours. We can find a couple there. Wow. Whoa. Wow. See, 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 see. Normally when I go for a small walk in Hyderabad, I feel so exhausted even after a kilometer or 2 kilometer of walk. But here I am getting excited for every step. Wow. This is the sound which makes your heart melted. Wow, wow, wow. Such a wonderful place. See, let's go into another mangrove hole. Wow, wow. See guys, you can see water coming from there, just 10 feet to 20 feet away from sea, and this water are completely sweet. They are all filtered and mineral water. These are the real mineral water coming from forest. See, they are looking so brown. Let me take into my hand. See, 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 see. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let us go there, let us go there. Oh. Oh. Oh, let us try something. Tin, 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 tin. Shall I enter inside? Yeah, of course. इतना दूर आके क्या फायदा है, डर के आगे जीत है. Oh, oh, it's good until unless you find some puss here. Yo, wow. Ting, 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 ting. Tin, 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 tin. See guys, I feel so bad whenever I see this kind of plastic stuff in such beautiful places. We need to be careful. Wow, wow. Oh, guys, please try to visit this kind of places. Don't ever carry any water bottles. See this, or any kind of stuff. I'm completely naked, in the sense I'm not with any baggage. I'm not with any plastic bottles. I'm not with any other kind of stuff which disturbs the ecosystem here. I'm getting out of here. Wow, you can see the view there. Ooh. I really don't want to go back to Hyderabad, even though Hyderabad is such a wonderful place. You have so many natural places around. See guys. Just imagine the night with a full moon. Either it's Amavasya or Paurnami. Both. Amavasya is too much scary, but Paurnami, it will be so wonderful. Please try to bring your family members here. See, this is seaweed which they bring from here to other states or other places and sell them. Wow, I can't enter into water because they had notified me. See, this is not completely sand, but this is broken shells. Wow. I will try to go to the other end which is visible. I hope so I can get there. Wow, can you see guys? This is all seaweed which is collected by local people here and sell for the aquariums around. Oh wow. Woo. Tin 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 tin. Wow guys. Woo, it's super cool here. I just wonder why this kind of people throw all this stuff even to this kind of dense forest. You can see plastic bottles there. Oh guys. Oh. See, such a long tree, it takes some 100 of years to grow. See this. It's been a long time since I'm walking. I'm getting exhausted with my energy levels, but my brain is pushing me to see what's in that rear end. Wow. Oh, the sounds are making me frightened. Wow. Just see this, guys. I'm going into that. Yeah, I got it. Oh. You guys see this. Oh. Woo. Ah. Guys, this is Andaman, southern part of Andaman. I just don't want to reveal the place because you need to explore each and every place in Andaman. It's very easy to explore actually if you are dare enough. I'm so sorry, my breath is so heavy as I just got frightened with some sounds coming from inside. Oh, see this, guys. Just imagine some decades of years ago where technology is not so developed and you are alone here in this island. Wow. See this. See, we humans are from last thousands of years destroying all the ecosystem which this nature developed from millions, and it took millions to. Wow. See, you can see a vulture there. Tin, 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 tin. Yeah. Okay guys, it's getting too scary here. Wow. I don't know who has written this sentence, डर के आगे जीत है बोल के, but see, I just found a place. I don't know why no one is here around. See, guys. This is completely a dense forest, one of the dense forests in the entire world. I'm into its beaches. मंदू बाबुलू तो हर कोने पे जाते रहे भाई. वाह. Dun 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 dun. See how wonderful this place is. See. I found a small waterfall here. Let me show you. Wow. Tin. Tin. This is all pure water. Wow. अरे बैक्टीरिया नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं, ऐसा पानी ही कारणों को ये करते हैं. जस्ट सी. Oh. Ting. This water is coming from all around. And in Andaman you can't expect how weather will be there in next 5 minutes. Today it's cloudy, but yesterday it was so sunny, and within just a matter of minutes It rained like anything. Wow. See this guys, see this guys. This is so soft, I think. Wow. See this, see this, see this. Yeah, this is salty water. This droplets. Yeah. Wow. Wow. You need to be careful while walking in this kind of stones where we find algae on its top. It will be somewhat slippery. See these guys. Hey, 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 hi. Can you see that? Hi, hi. And bye now. See. See this, see this, see this. Wow. Okay guys, I'm going to sit there alone for a while. You find so many musics playing music list in your YouTube, which makes you so peaceful. They will be recording all the sounds of waves. I think it's not possible to sit here as it is completely slippery. Let me try. इतना दूर आया तो थोड़ा रिस्क लेना पड़ेगा. Yeah, it's good over there. See. This is seaweed, and I'm going to sit on this. And now, just for a couple of minutes, even you enjoy the waves sound. Hey. Hey! Sorry, I'm so sorry. I got excited after seeing this. See, here are some small caves. Wow. I don't know उसके अंदर क्या तरह का सांप है. Let me go inside. Whoa! Tick. Shall we go inside? Yeah. Tin. Titin. Tan. Yeah. See this. Wow. Here it's another. ये तो छोटा है. And these kind of carvings take some millions of years. Wow. भाई क्या बनते यार घरों में, बाहर निकल के दुनिया देखो. This is all made up of calcium. And Andaman beaches are famous for this actually. There are so many unexplored things in Andaman. Wow. That's a beautiful sound. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में Okay, one last view of our miniature waterfall here. Let me have some sip of water. It's been so long. My throat is so thirsty. Wow. Seriously, I'm not lying to you people. This is so sweet water. Wow, I mean sweet in the sense no tasteless, a kind of mineral water. Wow. And now let me run in the beaches of Andaman. Yo, ting 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 ting. I'm not running with scare, guys. Nothing is around me. I'm just running for fun. Yo, 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 yo. Barefooted in the beaches of Andaman. Wow. Wow. Oh. This is so beautiful and scary too. Wait. जिंदगी में कभी कभी स्लो करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो बहुत बुरा हालत हो जाएगा. I swear guys, I didn't even disturb a single thing around. No water bottles, nothing harmful to the nature around. Next time when I come here, I will try. I will definitely come with group of people, and I will definitely remove all the plastic waste around as much as possible. Oh wow, guys, see, ऐसा जगह तुम you will get only in YouTube or Google when you are searching for peaceful photos, peaceful videos. अरे दुनिया उधर नहीं है रे भाई, इधर है, देखो. हाँ, just imagine number of creatures living inside this forest. Oh, see this. I just kept quiet so that you people can listen the sounds coming from the forest inside. See this, see this. Oh, such a huge tree. Wow. Now let me run back again. Maybe for the last time. फोटोज में देख के मैं आई यूज टू सिंग आर दिस फोटोज एडिटेड या क्या बोल के. नाउ आई एम सीइंग विथ माई own eyes. I hope even you can see the color of ocean there. See guys, this is so good to look. Wow. इतने बड़े बड़े पेड़ इतना सालों से. वो पेड़ बोल रहा मेरे को देख के. अरे छोटू क्या मस्ती कर रहे रे तू इधर आके. हाय हाय. Now my legs are aching like a hell. Oh. Now let's have some fun in water. Okay guys, see you. I'll show you my next place as soon as possible. Let me take this for today. Wow. Oh. Tata, bye bye.